Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, and it is May 2nd, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So the Aussie dollar is completely range bound for almost 3 weeks now. Now today is non-farm payroll, which is one of the biggest news events of the month. So we definitely should see some volatility today. Now we are all the way back up at the previous highs. And one thing that I really need to emphasize on this is that I am extremely bullish on the higher time frames. I mean, if you go all the way up to the weekly time frame, I believe that the Aussie dollar over the next year or so is going to go up to at least the zero point 0.8 area and maybe even quite a bit higher than that. So overall, I am very bullish on the higher time frames. Now you go down to like the 1 hour time frame and you start coming up with reasons to make a much bigger pullback. Now, to me, the trend seems like it ends here. All this sideways price action seems like some sort of a correction. So I do think, based on the 1 hour time frame, there is a pretty good chance that this will go down at the news, and then maybe next week at the interest rate news for the dollar, we'll get a big push to the upside. The problem is that when you're in an uptrend on all the higher time frames, you may think that this is an A, you may think that this is a B, you may think this is a C, but in reality, because we're in such a strong uptrend, it just keeps on going up. I don't really think I'm going to try to go short at the news today because it may not even go down. We may be in the middle of a huge uptrend on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.